Hello and welcome to Advanced Training number 3. Since today's lesson is on flipping the classroom, I decided that I would model exactly what I was training you on. So I'm going to record this lesson for you and let you watch it on your own. So I'm in my It's Learning course. Make sure that you have your lesson showing there on the planner. And then when you go down and look at the Advanced Training number 3, we will have already done the helpful hint and the share time together as a group. I'm going to have you do the flipped classroom lesson down here by yourself. So to start with, you will already be watching this video. The next thing I need you to do will be to click on an introduction to the flipped classroom. On this page, you will just find the background about what the flipped classroom is, where it originated, why it's been successful, why teachers are using it. So you can just go through, read that information on your own, and just glean new information that you weren't aware of. I'm going to go back to the dashboard. And then notice I have a page called the Flipped Classroom Helpful Hints. You'll open that page and just read through the information. This was an article that I found in the journal, and it just gives you some little guidance about things to do or not to do when you do a flipped classroom. Notice I have reference to the article there, and you can actually open that as well. Now, once you've gone through and read those two pages, I have a page on tools that you can use to create flipped lessons. So you'll open that page, and there are 3 tools that I'm going to highlight in today's lesson: using Active Inspire screen recorder, using VoiceThread, or using Office Mix. So on this page, once you open it, you'll see I've given an explanation of how you might use each of the different tools. I've given you a video explaining how to actually do it step by step, and I have linked the written step-by-step directions for you as well. So my advice is to look at the 3 different tools, decide on which tool you would like to experiment with. Once you decided on which one you want to use, watch the video, read through the how-to directions, and then your assignment for me is to actually create a flipped lesson using one of the 3 tools. So whichever tool you decide on, use that tool, create your lesson, post it in your It's Learning course, and actually have your students do it. When I come back next time and we have the next training, we'll go ahead and share those lessons and talk about what worked or didn't work with those lessons. Hey, be sure to notice down here on the Office Mix option, you will have to download that application to go into PowerPoint. You will have to do that off campus though, because the network's going to block you here at school. So do make sure you're careful and you do see that note. I hope you enjoy this lesson, and I look forward to seeing what you create.